Welcome to Supercharged Smoothies, where we're unlocking the secrets to 5 nutrient-packed recipes that'll supercharge your energy levels. Let's dive in. 1. The Energizer. The Energizer, our first recipe, combines kale, banana, and chia seeds for a powerful boost. These ingredients are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, providing a 30% increase in your daily nutrient intake. Rotate your greens regularly to avoid monotony and ensure a diverse nutrient profile. 2. Berry Bliss. Berry Bliss, our second recipe, featuring antioxidants from berries, offers a natural energy kick. The blend, with blueberries and strawberries, increases your antioxidant intake by 25%. If time is a concern, prep your smoothie ingredients the night before for a hassle-free morning routine. 3. Tropical Powerhouse. Our third recipe, the Tropical Powerhouse, with mango, pineapple, and coconut water, packs electrolytes and vitamin C, resulting in a 20% improvement in overall hydration levels. Increase your hydration levels by incorporating tropical fruits into your diet, promoting better skin health and digestion. 4. Protein Punch. The Protein Punch, our fourth recipe, blends almond butter, spinach, and Greek yogurt for a protein-packed smoothie that aids muscle recovery, contributing to a 15% boost in physical performance. Use frozen fruits and veggies to enhance texture without compromising nutritional content. 5. Brain Boost. Finally, the Brain Boost smoothie, featuring avocado, blueberries, and walnuts, delivers omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain health, resulting in a 10% increase in cognitive function. Enhance your cognitive abilities by incorporating brain-boosting ingredients into your daily routine. There you have it, 5 supercharged smoothie recipes designed to elevate your energy levels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. And remember, your health journey is a personal own. Customize these recipes to fit your needs. Until next time, stay energized and enjoy the benefits of supercharged living.